Good evening, teacher.
Good evening. All right, so today we will continue with unit 0B, okay?
Okay.
All right, so last week we stopped in article, right?
Yes.
And today we will continue with the article. So now let's see start 11. Are the sentences below generalization or not? Let's underline the correct with. So remember, we do not use the one we make generalization.
Okay.
Do not use the
Yeah.
generalization.
Okay.
You know it? Generalization.
Um. Wait.
Sự khái quát.
Yes. Yeah.
Now read and underline the correct with.
Okay. I'm finished.
Now number one.
Dogs are more intelligent than cats.
Why this is dogs and cats, not the dogs and the cats?
Because dogs and cats are generalizations.
So in these sentences, they make generalizations, right? Number two,
The weather is nice today.
the weather is nice today. Number three,
Football is more fun than volleyball.
right? Quite easy.
Yes.
Now, we study about these and there are.
Okay.
Now, A, we use there with singular nouns.
We use there is with
There
singular
is with,
noun
and we use with plural nouns.
or there are.
There are with plural nouns. We use short form of there is this.
The short form of the there is theirs.
There doesn't have short form.
Or there are.
There are not, does not have short form.
Okay.
Now let's find one example of there is and one example of there is a text.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm done.
Now, the example of there is
Or the example of there is in the third line. Is there teacher? And yes, there is.
right, and there are some students on the floor.
Okay.
Now let's check the meaning of the words below. Which one are in your classroom?
Okay. I'm finished.
Now, canteen,
Ờ, canteen có nghĩa là nơi ăn trưa hay là căng tin ạ?
gym,
Phòng thể hình ạ,
playing field,
sân chơi ạ,
classroom.
lớp học,
hall.
Đại sảnh,
Hoặc là hội trường. Reception,
quầy lễ tân,
lễ tân. Computer,
ok, máy tính,
interactive whiteboard.
bảng cảm ứng ạ.
No. Interactive whiteboard, bảng tương tác.
Ok,
Staff room,
văn phòng ạ.
staff room, phòng của nhân viên.
Ok,
Corridor,
hành lang ạ.
desk,
Bàn học ạ.
laptop.
Máy tính, máy tính xách tay ạ.
Notice board,
Bảng nhớ ạ.
bảng thông báo.
Ok,
Textbook,
sách giáo khoa,
whiteboard.
bảng trắng ạ.
So which one are in your classroom?
I think desk,
Yes, desk.
interactive whiteboard,
Interactive whiteboard.
notice board,
Notice board.
textbook,
Textbook.
and I think normal board, not whiteboard.
All right, now task 14. Imagine you're describing your school to a visitor that talk about some of the place and things below. Use this then article correctly, okay?
Okay.
All right, I will come back 1 minute.
I'm finished.
Now, let's describe your school.
When you come to my school, you can see a big school gate with name Lý Nhật Quang Secondary School. And the first impression about my school is that there are a lot of trees in the schoolyard. My school had 3 blocks of classroom with 16 classrooms, 2 computer rooms, and 8 labs. In each classroom, we have many modern teaching and learning equipment. Especially, we have a traditional room where we can learn about our history of school. The staff room is large enough teacher for teachers to hold meeting or to have a break after the lessons. Okay,
All right. Now let's complete the sentences with there is and there are.
okay. I'm finished.
Number one,
Or there are 3 new students in our class.
number two,
There is a great drama class at my school.
three,
There are about 50 laptops in our computer lab.
four,
Or there is a good film on at the cinema.
five,
There are only 2 shows I watch on TV.
six,
There are some really nice clothes in that shop.
seven,
There is a man here who wants to talk to you.
right. So this is the end of the 0B. Now we move to 1A.
Okay.
Now unit 1A, feelings.
Okay.
It's vocabulary and work skills. So unit
Okay.
map, 6 part, vocabulary and skills, grammar, listening, reading, speaking, and writing.
Yes.
Now, task 1. Let's look at the photos and answer the question. Use the words below to help your answer in the question 2.
Yes.
Now, 1. How do you think these people are feeling?
Okay.
Now answer my questions. Picture A.
Uh, in photo A, I think they feel disappointed. They, yeah.
Use the words.
I think when they watch a match and their team lose, they they will feel really disappointed.
Photo B.
Uh, when they see the result of the exam and they pass with a high marks, they feel really happy.
Photo C.
when the when the plane uh,
He is late, right?
right, yes,
Photo D.
when the schoolwork is difficult and boring, the students can feel uh,
Boring, right?
yes,
What is making them feel that way? A.
uh, because they may really
Now use a quiz, use a quiz. What match team or lose?
uh, okay,
What is making
and
them feel that way?
yeah, because their team is lose.
About match, right? A match. Photo B.
Uh, they are happy because they passed the exam with a high marks.
C is late and D is boring, right? Oh, sorry, difficult.
Okay,
Now vocabulary.
yes,
bored, bored,
bored, bored,
bored,
bored,
embarrassed, embarrassed,
embarrassed,
Embarrassed.
embarrassed. Okay,
proud,
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 Okay, bored, nhàm chán. Embarrassed, ngại ngùng. Proud, tự hào.
okay.
Without it.
Yes, I'm done.
Anxious,
Hurt,
anxious,
hurt,
Anxious,
hurt,
anxious,
and hurt,
anxious.
and hurt,
No, anxious.
ink,
Anxious.
and hurt.
Okay, anxious, lo lắng.
Okay, yes,
ashamed,
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 shame,
shamed,
shame,
shame,
shame, not the shame,
shame,
ashamed,
ashamed,
no, shamed,
shamed,
nặng lên nào, sure,
ashamed,
shamed,
shamed,
ashamed,
ashamed,
not the, this is sure,
okay,
ashamed,
ashamed,
no, shamed,
shamed,
ashamed,
ashamed,
ashamed, hổ thẹn,
okay,
confused, confused,
confused,
confused,
Confused.
Confused, bối rối.
Okay.
Delighted.
Delighted.
Delighted,
Delighted.
delighted, vui mừng.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Disappointed.
Disappointed.
Disappointed,
Disappointed.
thất vọng.
Envious.
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 Envious,
Envious.
ghen tị.
Okay.
Frightened.
Frightened.
Frightened,
Frightened.
frightened, sợ hãi.
Okay.
Relieved.
Yes. Relieved.
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 Relieved,
Relieved.
relieved, an tâm.
Okay.
Suspicious.
Suspicious.
Suspicious,
Suspicious.
Suspicious. Suspicious.
yeah, suspicious, khả nghi.
Okay.
Cross.
Cross.
Cross
Cross.
là
Okay.
trái ý.
Yes.
Excited, you know it.
Yes, I know.
What does it mean?
Hào hứng ạ.
Excited. Upset,
Upset.
Buồn ạ.
yeah, upset, buồn.
Upset. Okay.
Now task 2, let's check the meaning of the own activities below. Can you match with any with the photo in the picture 1? Okay, let's add
Okay.
the adjective below with the photo in task 1.
I'm finished.
Now picture one, photo one.
In picture one, I think is anxious, upset, and disappointed.
Anxious, anxious and upset, right?
Yes.
B,
B is delighted and excited.
delighted, excited and proud.
Okay.
C,
Or C is cross, disappointed, and shocked.
cross. D,
Or D is bored.
bored.
Okay.
Now let's put the adjectives in task 2 into category A and B below. So do you know any other adjective could you add to category? Now let's add this adjective to the category A and B.
Okay. I'm finished.
Oh, write it.
Okay. Finished.
Let's check for positive, negative first. Answers are same word, confused, cross, positive, delighted, excited, proud, relieved, suspicious, and upset, right? All right, good.
Okay.
Now let's do the task below. Each photo, let's choose adjectives that match how the person is feeling.
Okay. Finished.
Now, one,
One is A, inserts.
yeah, answers.
Okay.
Two,
Two is C, suspicious.
yeah, suspicious. Three,
C, excited.
right? And four,
B, cross.
yeah, crossed. All right, so I think we will stop the lesson here today, okay?
Okay.
So in next Tuesday, I have some work and we will stop it, okay? And I will arrange the time for you to do to study some lesson you absent, okay?
Okay.
All right, so this is the end for today. Any questions for today?
No.
No? All right, so if you don't have any questions, we will stop here today, right?
Yes.
All right, at home, remember, study the new words.
Okay.
All right, so last week, your mother, oh no, sorry, not last week, last lesson, your mother said you do the, so you did the final exam.
Yes. But last week I have just done 4 subjects, and this week on Tuesday I have geography, and on Thursday I have English.
Okay, so you do it well.
No, next week I
Next
will
week.
have English.
English,
Yes.
the semester exam.
Yes, on or Thursday.
On Thursday. Okay. All right. So you want to sum your knowledge.
I think yes.
All right, but next week, Tuesday is busy. How about Wednesday afternoon?
Yes.
Wednesday afternoon next week you are free, right?
No, I study at school.
Um, in the evening, 7 p.m.
No, I have English.
All right, so I don't have time. So in the morning and in the afternoon, you have class, right?
Yes.
But next Tuesday, I have some problem need to show.
Okay.
It's quite difficult. All right, so I think you do it by yourself, and if you don't have any question, last send me a message. Okay, I will help you.
Okay.
All right, remember, if you have a questions, last send a text to me, a message.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, so if you don't have any question, we stop here. Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.